There are so many options available in the market, the process of finding the best adjustable dumbbells for beginners can be tedious and overwhelming. To make your life easier, we tested out several top models to see which ones stood out from the rest of the pack. The one that stands head and shoulder above the rest is the ProForm Select a Weight Dumbbell Pair. A feature complete, with 5 weight increments per dumbbell, this adjustable dumbbell set delivers the same value as 10 individual dumbbells in a fraction of the space. To give you the best experience, it features a rapid strike selection system. Easily choose the weight value you want to train with. Each rapid strike dumbbell features 5 weight selections, so you can move in 10-pound increments from 10 to 50 pounds. Here are the specifications of this great product. Here's why this model is worthy of consideration. Here are the ratings of this great product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.